Hello friends, in last video we learned about COUNTIF and in this video we will learn about COUNTIFs, but just want to tell you, if you want to learn Excel like a pro and want to understand 2 Excel tips and tricks for next 101 days, then subscribe this channel. And if you want to be pro in Excel, then access the link below. What is COUNTIFs? COUNTIFs is basically counting the cells basis multiple criteria or conditions. In this particular data, you have players from India and there are different stats attached to each and every player. Now, I want to count how many players have got more than 400 innings, more than 20,000 runs, and more than 40 average. And I want to see all these three conditions simultaneously and want to understand how many cricketers are meeting these three conditions. If I just want to see through filters who are these players, then what I can do is on innings, I can filter more than 400, on runs, I can filter more than 20,000, and on average, I'll do more than 40. Now, when I do this, I see there are three players, Tendulkar, Kohli, and Dravid, who are meeting these three criteria. Let's do this with COUNTIFs formula. COUNTIFs. I will write my first criteria range, which is innings, and then we'll write the first criteria, which is innings more than 400. I'll give my second criteria, which is runs, and will give my second criteria, which is runs more than 20,000. And then I will give my third criteria, which is average, and I will just put the criteria as average is more than 40. And I will enter and I will see that the answer is 3. And you just saw that we did the filtering, and on that basis we found 3 players who were meeting these 3 criteria. So now you know COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. For more Excel tips and tricks, stay tuned, subscribe and like.